You're in. Hey, you're into poop.
I
Go
don't
to
have
go.
poop.
Go to the toilet.
I don't have poop.
You don't have poop. Pag walang camera ha. You're into poop. Ngayon eh.
I poop in my house.
Oh, you wanna? Okay, you can still wait. But if you like, you can go to their toilet. They have a toilet there.
No.
Yeah, they have. Doon oh. Oh.
I told you.
Yeah, I told
So
you.
many. Papa, if the I'm coming with Mommy carry me. Mommy carry me. Next time I go to my house.
Okay. Later when we got home. You think you can still walk
Yeah. I hope.
with your helmet here?
Yeah.
Do you miss your lolo, your daddy, in Batangas? Do you want to go back to Batangas?